Trade shows are a great way to grow your business, but they're also a huge investment. If you're going to invest thousands in a booth, travel, and payroll, you're going to want to know if the show actually grows sales. That's why we built the Trade Show Toolkit. We help companies like yours increase their sales results by 8 times. Companies use Mobile Locker to manage the trade show process before, during, and after the show. Whether you're looking to scan badges or business cards, schedule meetings with VIPs, or engage visitors with interactive videos and quizzes, we have you covered. Schedule a 15-minute call with one of our trade show pros to learn how our Trade Show Toolkit will help you maximize the success of your next event. Click below and learn why badge scanners are old and outdated and how our technology will let you measure your trade show's ROI live from the show floor.